Hi guys, we're going to make my baked peanut butter donuts with a peanut butter glaze. So we're going to start off with the glaze, and in a bowl I put 2 cups of powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter, and I whisked this together until it was all combined and there was no powdery clumps in it. And the texture is going to be about like this, a little bit runny but not too runny, a little thick. And I'm going to set it aside. I have 2 donut pans and I'm going to spray it with nonstick cooking spray. And if you don't have donut pans, you could use muffin tins. The donuts are just not going to have a hole in the middle. It's going to be shaped like a donut or like a muffin. And each muffin pan has 6 spots for donuts, so it's going to make a total of 12 donuts. In a medium-sized bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. We're going to whisk this together till it's combined, and then we're going to set it to the side. So in a larger bowl, I have half a cup of granulated sugar. I'm adding in 2 eggs. I'm going to mix this up on medium speed till it's combined. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of milk, and I've added in half a cup of creamy peanut butter, and I'm going to stir this till it's combined on medium speed. So I'm going to add the dry to the wet about a cup at a time, mixing in between on medium speed. I'm going to start off though on low speed because of the flour, and then, pull up the speed a little bit. I stuck my Ziploc bag in a cup and folded it over the sides, and then I filled it up with some of the dough. I have some more dough in the bowl. I'm going to do this in a couple rounds. And I'm just going to cut the tip off with some scissors. And I'm going to continue filling these up. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to bake this for 10 to 12 minutes, and I want my donut to spring back when touched. Now that they're done, I'm going to let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes before removing them to a cooling rack. So if you wanted to add some chopped peanuts to the top, I didn't happen to have any, I didn't do that today, or maybe some chocolate sprinkles would look good on them, or you could dress them up for Halloween and put some Halloween sprinkles on them. So there's my baked peanut butter donuts. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching.